Power up your mornings. 3 effective steps to boost your energy after waking up. 1. Hydrate with a glass of water. After a long night of sleep, your body can be dehydrated. Drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up can help rehydrate you and kickstart your metabolism. Water helps transport nutrients to your cells, aids in digestion, and boosts overall energy levels. 2. Engage in light exercise or stretching. Physical activity can increase blood flow, oxygenate your body, and stimulate the release of endorphins, which are natural mood enhancers. Engaging in light exercises or gentle stretching in the morning can help awaken your body, improve circulation, and promote mental alertness. Consider activities like walking, yoga, or simple stretching exercises to get your body moving. 3. Eat a balanced breakfast. Fueling your body with a nutritious breakfast is crucial for sustaining energy throughout the day. Opt for a balanced meal that includes complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains and fruits, provide a steady release of energy, while proteins and healthy fats help maintain satiety and stabilize blood sugar levels. Some breakfast ideas include oatmeal with berries and nuts, Greek yogurt with granola and fruit, or a vegetable omelette with whole grain toast. Remember, getting sufficient quality sleep, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, and managing stress levels are also essential for optimizing energy levels throughout the day.